Rekeying a new lock to match an existing Kwikset key is simple and easy, and all Kwikset locks can be rekeyed to achieve convenient one-key operation across multiple locks. All you need is a Kwikset Re-keying Kit, a Kwikset key, and a pin and tumbler lock. This animation features a single-cylinder deadbolt, but the process and steps are very similar for most Kwikset locks. Kwikset locks operate by how the cuts on the key match with the pin tumblers inside the cylinder plug. There are two sets of pins located at the top and bottom of the cylinder, along with a set of springs above the top row of pins. For the lock to work, the pins and springs inside the cylinder must work together with the cuts of the key to create a shear line. The basic components of a rekeying kit include a key gauge, a plug follower, a cylinder removal tool sometimes called a pickle fork, and different size pins designed to match the depth of the notches on the key. The first step of the rekeying process is to read the key cut combination of the new key. The key gauge is used to measure the cuts and determine the combination. Make sure to read and write down the combination from the bow end out. The first section after the bow is the shoulder, and the first cut to be measured is after the shoulder. Position the first cut within the opening directly underneath the measurement lines and slide the key toward the narrow end until it stops. The key may fall between two numbers. If so, the number you want to write down will be to the right of the key. Now position the second cut under the measurement lines. Move the key down the gauge until it stops and write it down. Repeat this process for each cut to the end of the key. In this case, the key cut combination is 4-3-2-3-4. To take apart a single-cylinder deadbolt, the focus is on the keyed side of the lock. With double-cylinder deadbolts, both sides will have to be disassembled and rekeyed in the same manner. Remove the cylinder housing from the reinforcing collar. The major difference between a deadbolt cylinder and a keyed entry knob cylinder is the tailpiece. Remove the tailpiece by using the forked end of the pickle fork to remove the retainer clip. Holding the plug inside the cylinder, insert the existing key and rotate 1/4 turn clockwise. Use the flat end of the plug following tool to gently push the plug out completely from the cylinder, leaving the tool sticking out so the tool keeps the top springs and pins in place. Turn the plug over, allowing the bottom pins to fall out. Remove the existing key and insert the new key. Select the pins from the appropriate compartment in the rekeying kit that match the cut combination written down earlier, 4-3-2-3-4. Working from the bow end of the key inside the plug, insert the new bottom pins. When you're finished, the pins should be flush with the top of the plug. To reassemble the lock, place the end of the plug against the end of the plug following tool and hold the key and plug in the 1/4 turn clockwise position, similar to removal. Push the plug and tool all the way back into the cylinder and turn the key counterclockwise so it's in line with the spring cover on the top of the cylinder. Insert the tailpiece, replace the plug retainer clip, and test the key by rotating it in both directions, then remove it. Insert the cylinder housing back into the reinforcing collar. Before finishing, check your work by turning the key to ensure smooth operation and that the spindle and the plug rotate accordingly and the key removes easily. Kwikset has made rekeying a pin and tumbler lock simple and easy with a rekeying kit and easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. For more information about rekeying, contact your Kwikset representative, visit our website, or call our toll-free customer support number.